Bagusimansi pembia mono sana sukara chinga kicheno kwa livi pini tokoraga mkwa times. Mwaweri mwete metandao mwarora bangwana gite babire. Oyo mane bishop oyo nuko sininkiare. Ero gana banyolre na barigisara gina banyolre. Bato erese ne klininki bagokora. Mbabatisire. Osinkie kele. Chindu kuchana mbia mono sana sukara chinga kicheno.
Thank you.
Wachaga mkwa times.
Thank you.
First of all, tianza kile kurwa. Introduce ando kuma nyama leto kamili.
Maleta ne kamili. Mbako gana seito. Okay, let them know me. I am Oseko. Ndo Machoge. Chukura nengwakira Bombaba ward.
Bombaba ward.
Yeah. Some around Magena. Yeah. But I'm a resident of Kisii town.
Resident of Kisii.
Na
amanyete boso.
Abantu wange wa maite. Kuna bishop kusefato Oseko. Sasa hiyo ndio tunachapa zaidi sasa.
I didn't go introduce. I didn't go introduce.
Kabisa.
Na atigire.
Gwatigire. Ndiro batara amanya. Oromete banga elieta nga padri. Brand Cora. Padri nga padri brand Cora. Nali bagonde squeeze nali bagondoka.
Ngaibono mwachakire paka mugekiranga bono tia uveke bintu biri cyanga kiri muchake ko kubatisa.
Mate binde bisimbly. Eto tuanze to from. Uta respect yo mugaka.
Mugaka ningo.
Mugaka ko se Fred.
Matiang'i.
Wono mete tuntwara gukora binde. Ugo tabo respect. Na kwa gereta tukaanza. So we started from. Watu kutuheshimu mzee.
Bono enia nere yarenge ase ugo chaki.
Enia yarenga soko chaki gentekyo. Basically no gotebya abantu aba abali kunya gochecheri omugaka kunya gokwane bintu ebichinga ali omutandao kunya kumurama chi story echo koraba kunya kubeka chi propaganda. So enia yegende gokora yarenga gote abantu nga nechie begende kimogokora nebange mutumire whichever the case we got to neutralize
ikobono ama sabari no neutralize
nanda bantu bajire kanisa abashirika
bajirika
paka abanogeri bali basimba arati umete go join bare su
mabatisironde
abantu babatisiro abanki
oyomo
ruding simba nabaziya kitate ko etoke sate bena kiekene na batisiro na bishop gaiga umuikongo nya komosore. I'm sure very soon it will change. You know, you might ask yourself, how did we come up with this stuff? It's out of creativity. You know, some people force issues to happen, like makumba no mundo ko betele ibintu byapen, but as in domain no muikombo nye no gotura. You know, the other day you had of a situation where our governor was hiring 3,000 people because he saw like, hey, Brand Cora is pushing just around. Let me now do something. Can I get Brand Cora? So we went to an extra mile. He has the financial muscles. Yeah. He can do anything he wants. So he went an extent of hiring people, work again, not knowing. When I was in the they don't know anything about the politics. He went hired more than 3,000 people just to come. They do a post again to comment like they want now like to be. To come to tige. You know, we were at a funeral at the Brand Memorial's place. Want to come in like to me chibicha. Want to buy chiro. Second, Motaga and Okolia. Of course, they looked for us, but we declined the request. Father Hakor and the Motu. Brand, I don't know come on a kupuka.
Nakumbuka vizuri sana. Father aliyeko radi kabisa.
I was so much impressed that like the way he was doing his things. You know how unique and you know my father according to the I told the Brand not to work kana into 19 is to work. Not knowing I had the idea, but the Brand one he was more creative. I can out to do. I can't colleague and take a tanganiga. The hake Mr. Tangani Akabere. Totaka Sara always a canir. Boys anaika piki vizuri, people loved it. The same day nalichukwe nalio abanta wachipo wakachakanire. Buna baka numogaso maraga bazakore misa. Imagine to make impact here more than 10,000 people are coming. Around 3,000 people. But we did something like 10,000 people could do.
In a nutshell, mwabongiri chibloga chira against Matiang'i chagusia Jones P.
We can't call them bloggers. To gojo wandebeane blogger ko wate 10 followers 20 followers olino bonga ali kuli bono njengo taka nane bloggers mbole kutoka WhatsApp they like making noise on WhatsApp wacha kuja kwa hizo big platforms ndio tunakimbizana huko ndio kuna Facebook, YouTube, TikTok abono aba Kenya bali bono che mkuja WhatsApp ya 1000 people 500 ni watu wa chunu mpige kelele, umeona umefanya kitu ya maana, kuja hapa nje. To neutralize
face the reality. Mwenye anakufia umjui, anakuambia ukweli na inaishia hapo. So wale watu unajua nikiingia hapo nitatea brand nini. Enda eka kitu mwali hakuna mwenye unajua mwenye anakuja kuiona. Inaenda kwa anybody random anaifeel, anaipenda ama anaichukia hivyo tu.
Emisa abashirika bakani tuko join kibao kora.
Oko dial *509# ora juni Jubilee. Misa.
Misa tiko sababu saiko.
Misa tole go changa na zwere misa. Weko mwana Jubilee. Weko support Fred Matiang'i. Weko sike Fred Matiang'i. Na weko akire kura Fred Matiang'i. Hivi ndo.
Okuna koko so misa.
Conditions so choko so misa. Na checho. To go jari ngabono ntake tombatisa. To kubatisu. Weko so ekala ya kwere ndeme ya red.
Of course, it's not the actual people. It's just a book. Those things we don't write. Ndio maana nakwambia, if mwenye anataka kufanya misa kama yetu, you should, first of all, you just be creative. Like, think out of the box. If somebody anafikia maybe tunashika kitabu hivi kusoma, we don't read. Hiyo maneno inatoka kwa kichwa.
Out of misa no mokora. Mabere threatened because ndoro chibosonga itovnera.
Tabere threatened sana. Tutakuja, tutawakanyaga.
Mosa bapiba ko bakani tika nebu.
Mosa barakini ngakitu ngo toko tigere misa. Toko di, nana toko te, nana tika bono ngote how courageous we are. Paka toko te chimaster. Umete ntu bali bago tomu, we have no problem. Para bundo kunya ko bate. Anything. Nde toko face chimaster. To bate nga chimaster. Bado ndo ko batiga. Nyinyi ndio tuna deal na nyinyi.
Raisi iko?
Ni raisi. Okay, by the threats ni mingi. Threats ni mingi. I had even the other day, they were trolling around my place of residence. Banya kuetana na maybe tikula vab ni mienye ndina.
Okora kinga no maeto.
Okay, na bangora kinga ni maeto. I don't think ndo kiama no mete siasa mbago itoku. At least bago tikere soko ya ndirake, ushikura lunya kitari. Already. Na hati other thing ni, if you don't fear me, unajua they all say hatuogopi, nyinyi ni, they call us every sort of name, but you know, kama hatuogopi, they will not come to troll us, patake kutuita. Kama wataka tukupiga siasa, they should not recognize us. It's because we do some impact. Impact. That's why I feel like, hey, we have to threaten these people. Usimbakirake. Of course, namba na wanyako tabarikira watu Amerika ngoto kana, murambo mokolema.
Nana tika actually even 90% ya bantu ba ko to threaten na ba ko to nyole pare
mogota
bate banga ke ya lakini no na ntaringa mama etesto menyete they know we are socialites ndondo manya kaine mama ete buya pipa ko marango na you should ask yourself ngakibota bwatio kwa eroko taringe ba ko lodi into kinga ko banga babwate resources babwate muscles we are there ngutara tole ga para maso atole nyomba bamete even do numbers stoko bera sto menyete chi nyomba ntobono ekionge kogera tuange ko lengendo kere very right
si ndo bachote kende yona simba bataviringa nchuga bamurawa isiaba nchuga bakunde kere kende ga mo kora kende oyagwa tenga we can give you a better price mutika na Matiang'i
chi price ba monyo kire nacho makumba lero azete na price of $500,000 na tenga waje to $500,000.
Kwani do you think it's a joke?
It's not a joke.
An audio is only that we don't want to disclose.
We can play an audio metana njeserete ngabwa toke audio asa ko torangalia ko to beg. You so ngwaro ngo igwete audio.
$500,000.
San tinde timo makumba sare gari tigaragire na kitokora tabiranga ki master ego believe monto a very wrong person. Lakini nende gari tigaragire. A deal of $500,000. Ntunapa zoka $500,000.
Mali kubuga story hiyo na kimwa bete nini
omugaka abuyaya.
There's something you may not know. We are not in this field just to make money. We want to make the impact to society. We are addressing long deeds chiko kwa kankulise government. You know, I could have received mokwa because otente venga like me taro ya bosongo ne target nini ndangali unge kwa $1,000,000. Metara lita korosu. Inchako pene vitinde $500,000. Ngore njake go enjoy. I am kwa uri benefit.
Tingo benefit.
I'm speaking on behalf of you. I'm speaking on behalf of my sister. I'm speaking on behalf of omonto menyete ogusinyugwete so motara koraki. Resident ya so nere ogusinyugwete singenche Paris arigete. If I receive that money nkire, people will not benefit. It's better I call out those leaders who are responsible. Pakora magenero. out of it I will benefit. Panyoranda sagi yangu eta, my mom, my sister, my neighbor would also benefit. That's what we want to make, not just to make personal gains. No, if you are decided as politically, then you are not a good politician.
Sindio?
Yeah.
Bono ento tuko sabankelinga na barubaro si bishop yao.
Ti bishop cha Matiang'i chirocho ngweko da star 509 ash. Ojo ne Jubilee.
Bika bako ba threaten. Baire ti bishop cha bikrasi baba somi una bawacha ko mnyokemis.
Matiang'i na kingo tebera bakumanya so monta so metana banta ko tuara. Omonta so mete na bakumanya na banta ko tuara.
Sharp.
Very sharp. Ne side ende na bakora banta buate.
Look at that combination. Imagine of a situation where asoka tuoni aire to how it like your katwani speaking on behalf of the government. Imagine of a situation where look at how incompetent is in Makumba and Katwani, but they can still be given an opportunity to address the government. They don't know anything. They don't know any allocation sitting at Jamaica. Oh, then Nyambere Rossi. How much was it given to Nyambere? So many incompetent people back up speak on behalf of them.
I moko to ko se bacha Nyambera obwire mwembe na jogo.
The problem to what?
Mburusi yako se butinda chiro. Katene no mara. Batubete.
Batube.
Bia mo sara bagusinga te manyale ko iwa bangwana abakole misa. Tume next time as a comment section debi angona kyoroch oyarabe president oyabe assistant ya ege to call it once and for all tumanyanga gusiye to tanyole the youth leaders ko sebono ga tume next time.